Design Factory is a place where lots of learning and research takes place. We attract a diverse groups of academics and students to come together for different types and scale of projects, brainstorming with the industry. More often than not, we are designing for humans, and humans are complicated. People's expectations, needs, and desires changes over time. So at Design Factory, we ask questions. We want to ask the right questions and use design research and design tools to meet these changes. Design is that driver of the change.
I'm an engineer by training, but working on DF projects forces me to remember that the solution is not all about presenting the best engineering design. It takes empathy to understand the user and other prohibitions surrounding application, and adaptability to tweak the proposed solution.
Well, I think a couple of the great benefits of Design Factory and the way this program works is that we're always getting approached by our industry partners who are, in many cases, they're startup companies, they're on low budgets, don't have a lot of resources, but they have great ideas. And so something like a IWSP, which is a one-year commitment, may be out of range for them. And likewise with our applied research projects, those require grant funding and are also long processes. So Design Factory provides something that's in the middle of that. So it allows companies to engage for whatever short period of time they want, just a couple of months, all the way up to a year or more, and at an affordable budget. So this is a great way for our industry partners to come in and engage with SIT, engage with our students, but still do it at their schedule and at a commitment that suits them, and at a very affordable rate compared to what they would have to pay on their own.
With Design Factory, we can now bridge the gap between academia and the business world through real-world projects with real-world results. Design Factory has also made this process of R&D work with an Institute of Higher Learning possible.
So the partnership with Design Factory is quite collaborative, actually. I've actually worked previously with some of the members of Design Factory, so it's always a pleasure to have another opportunity to collaborate with them. And right now we're engaged in several different projects that are participatory in nature, engaging with different communities and people. So we're just currently feeling out how our collaboration is going, but it's been very positive so far. I hope to see projects, initiatives, and interventions that provide real impact, driven by a practice-based mentality, and that is inclusive of all people from all walks of life.
Within design innovation, one of the key pillars is prototyping. And at the Design Factory, we've been working together with the Makerspace to fulfill that. Prototyping is a core skill that all different stakeholders within the design innovation process need to learn. And with the Makerspace, with the different hand tools, power tools, 3D printers and laser printers, we're able to make intangible ideas turn into tangible solutions.
A company with a new product idea or a problem statement can work with our Design Factory or the Rapid Prototyping Center to ideate solutions and develop prototypes. This can be done iteratively with end-user feedback to enhance speed to market.
The Design Factory creates a community of practice environment for people to come together to share their best practices and experience, continuously pushing to systematically extract, teach, learn, and apply these user-centered techniques to solve problems in a creative and innovative way, in our design, in our businesses, and in our lives.
If there is one piece of advice that I would like to give to my juniors at this stage, is to just go for it. This is a good opportunity to learn. We are grateful that the partnership with the industries gave us the opportunity to hone our skills. If you really have the chance to be part of any of these projects, you'll be able to do projects that are identical to what the industry is doing.
A whole new world of possibilities awaits, as Design Factory is a platform that provides business owners like us who can turn to for intelligent research and development resources.
The conversations and projects at Design Factory will never end entirely, as we will always be evolving and iterating. We will have to be comfortable with change. Good designs will always have a bend towards iteration.